Juicy, tender beef combined with a sweet and savory Mongolian beef sauce. Who needs takeout when you can make this in under 30 minutes? So change your dinner plans tonight because this is what you're making now. So let's start with the beef. You can use a number of different cuts like stew tips, New York strip steaks, but make sure you cut off the excess fat. You can buy these beef strips already cut up by your butcher, which makes this even easier for you to do. Now, to get that crispy but tender beef texture, I'm going to coat 500 grams or 1 pound of beef strips in a half a cup of corn flour or starch. Now, not only will this give you a nice crust on the beef, but it also thickens the sauce, as you'll see later on. Now, into the corn flour, I'm seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper. Shake the bowl to combine, and then pop in the flour into a Ziploc bag with the beef strips. Placing them in the Ziploc bag makes the process less messy and coats the beef strips more evenly. Once coated, just leave the beef strips aside. Now, into a really hot non-stick pan or wok, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then place in 3 red bell peppers or capsicums chopped into chunky slices. Now, when I mean a hot pan, I mean smoking hot, because you want to blister the peppers. Mix them around continuously for 4 to 5 minutes until you start to see some char marks on the skins. You don't want to let them go mushy and soft. You still want some bite and texture. When they're done, just place them into a bowl and leave aside. Now we're going to do the same with 2 onions that I've sliced thickly into rings and cut in half. Don't worry about adding more oil, there should still be enough left over from the peppers. And just like the peppers, you want to get some decent colour on them with some char, but not leave them to go soft and mushy. Cook them for several minutes, mixing them around, and again, leave in a bowl on the side. Now let's stir fry the beef strips. Place in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into the hot pan. And now it's very important you fry the beef in stages, and what I mean by that is don't put the whole amount of beef in at the same time. Stir fry the beef strips in small batches. If you don't, the beef is going to stew and get tough. If you fry them in stages, then it will crisp up and keep the beef nice and tender. Each batch should take around 3 minutes, and with the amount that I'm using in this recipe, it'll take 3 batches. Once the beef is cooked, again, leave aside to rest with the peppers and onions. Now into the same pan, lower the heat to medium and let's make the sauce. Firstly, add in a half a cup of water, followed by a half a cup of soy sauce. Now add a half a cup of brown sugar along with 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Give this a quick stir and mix those flavors around. Now for some heat, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. If you want to tone the heat down a bit, then go for it. It's up to your palate. Mix well, turn the heat up to high and bring the sauce to a boil and reduce it by half, which will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Now add back in the beef strips and get them coated in that wonderful sauce, followed by the peppers and the onions. Get everything mixed together, and right at the last minute, add in some sliced scallions or spring onions and stir them for around 30 seconds just to warm through. Then it's ready to serve, and I serve it with some rice. You can of course have it by itself or with some noodles. It's completely up to you, but I love the rice soaking up all that wonderful sauce. If this has left your mouth watering, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already for more delicious recipes, and as always, thank you so much for watching.